Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Michelle's Cozy Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you how to make rice and red beans or kidney beans. However, before I forget, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to cook great Caribbean dishes. And guys, the first thing we're going to start with are the red beans. Now, kidney beans take a very long time to cook, and so to soften them beforehand, you can either soak them overnight in room temperature water, or you can soak them in very hot water a few hours before cooking. Now, I did neither of those things, so what I am going to do is to wash them and put them into the pressure cooker. Now, the pressure cooker is a pot that cooks things very quickly, and so in the pot I have some water, and to the pot I'm going to add the kidney beans and grate in some garlic just to infuse the garlic flavor into the beans, as well as some salt, and I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes until the beans are tender. They may take about 20 to 30 minutes or a little longer to cook, but it all depends on how firm or soft. Here are how my beans look after they have finished cooking. If you realize the water has turned a darker color as well, I am going to use the water to cook the rice because this water has in a lot of flavor from the garlic and the salt. Of course, I'm going to add more to it. I am cooking this for a large gathering, so I'm using about 3 to 4 cups of red beans. While the beans were cooking, I took the time to prepare the seasonings. I have onions, red and green bell peppers, scallions, and garlic. I've placed a pot over medium heat to which I'm going to add some cooking oil, ensuring that the cooking oil covers the bottom of the pot. Then once the oil is heated, I am going to add the onions, peppers, scallions, along with thyme, and I am going to grate in the garlic. Now I'm using about 2 whole onions chopped, 1 red and green bell pepper, and about 5 cloves of garlic. I am going to stir them to incorporate the flavors and let them saute for about 2 to 3 minutes covered. The next step is to prepare the rice for cooking. For this recipe, I'm using about 15 cups of rice. I have placed the rice into a container and I am going to wash it a few times to remove any excess starch or dirt. I'll do this a few times until the water runs clear. Once done, I'm going to add it to the sauteed seasonings. However, before I do that, I'm going to add some paprika to the seasonings and give them a stir. Now I'm going to add the rice and stir it so that it can be infused with all of the flavors in the pot. Guys, you should smell this aroma. It is heavenly. The combination of the onions, garlic, peppers, all those flavors together, and the thyme, guys, you definitely want to try this dish. To the rice, I'm going to add some adobo complete seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and a bit of salt. I will mix all the ingredients together and allow them to simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the flavors can be infused into the rice. Now I'm going to add hot water to the rice. Note I said hot water, not cold water. Because the rice is already heated, I do not want to add cold water to it. So that's the reason why I'm adding hot water. After adding the water, I'm going to add the kidney beans and stir them to incorporate them into the mixture. I have just tasted the mixture and realized that it is not salt enough. Therefore, I have to add more salt. And this is something that you should do, guys. Whenever you're cooking, make sure you taste. Taste to make sure that the flavors are good and there is nothing missing. Guys, rice is a staple in the Caribbean and we love to eat it with beans. Now to the pot, I'm going to add some butter, and this just brings all the flavors together. Guys, I'm going to mix it in so that it melts and cover the pot and let it cook on low heat. I'm using low heat because of the amount of rice that I have in the pot and the amount of water. So once it cooks on low heat, it's going to take its time and cook properly. Once it cooks on low heat, it's not going to get sticky or friendly. You're not going to have friendly rice, because I do not like friendly rice. Because of the amount of rice and water that I have in this pot, if I cook it on a high heat, the rice grains are not going to cook properly. So that's why I have to cook it on a low heat. I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook until the rice grains are tender, not too firm and not too soft. And guys, this is it, guys. Here it is. This is the rice right after it has been cooked. During the cooking process, I occasionally turned it with a spoon so that it wouldn't burn at the bottom. So here it is, guys. One of our favorite Caribbean staples, rice and red kidney beans. Now you can give it a try and let me know how it turns out. I leave the recipe in the description below for a smaller portion. So from my cozy kitchen to yours, enjoy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to cook delicious Caribbean dishes. And please check out my other videos on this channel. Bye!